toilet.
Jen, that's not a toilet, it's a bidet.
It's not a toilet?
No.
Oh. Well, then I don't have to wash my hands.
Jennifer Lawrence has taken to social media to put to rest hygiene rumours that she doesn't wash her hands.
That's not a toilet, it's a bidet.
The Hunger Games actress has made a short, funny Facebook video in which she mistakes a bidet for a toilet, and so she thinks she doesn't need to wash her hands. Oh, that Jen. She wrote on Facebook, "I hate taking to the internet, but I can't get asked another question about my hygiene on this press tour. I told MTV I didn't wash my hands after going to the bathroom because I was trying to gross out Josh and Liam, and I ended up grossing out the world. Of course I wash my hands after going to the bathroom. I can't believe I've put myself in a situation where I even have to say that. Anyway, with all the rumours I've heard about myself, this is the one I really had to put to rest. Jen." We believe you, Jen. Don't worry.
No.
Oh.